Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Today. In this video, we will discuss about what are smart contracts with an example. So let's get started. The term smart contracts first proposed by Nick Szabo in the year 1994. He is a computer programmer and a cryptographer. Now let's try to understand what are smart contracts. In simple terms, smart contracts are like normal contracts, but they are smart. Normal contracts require a central authority or a legal system to execute, whereas smart contracts don't require any third party and they're smart enough to execute on their own when a predefined condition is met. The business logic is also encoded within the computer code of the smart contract. Now let's see the perfect definition of smart contracts. Smart contracts are simply programs stored on a blockchain network that execute when a predefined condition is met. They work by following simple if, when, then statements that are written into code on a blockchain. Every smart contract has its own address in the blockchain. Now, let's see the features of smart contracts. Self-executing. Smart contracts are self-executing. They don't need any central authority to enforce them. Traceable. Every smart contract has its own address, so they're traceable. Irreversible. Smart contracts are irreversible, so once they're executed, they cannot be reversed. Now, let's try to understand the use case of smart contracts. For example, our government can enforce a smart contract on a blockchain platform like Cardano or Ethereum that keeps tracks of vehicles maintenance service and also their ownership. They can enforce a law such that vehicles maintenance has to be done for every 6 months. If the condition of vehicles maintenance is not met, then they can cancel the ownership of the vehicle and also the license of the owner. So, the government can eliminate the accidents caused by faulty vehicles. Smart contracts can also be used in industries like finance, supply chain management, and also they can be used to eliminate bank disputes. Now, let's see the advantages of smart contracts. Security. As smart contracts run on blockchain technology, they are completely secure and they are encrypted. Transparency. Users can define the conditions of an agreement. Due to immutability of data in blockchain, the risk of someone modifying the terms is reduced. Efficiency and speed. Smart contracts are digital and does not require physical papers and human work. So, this speeds up the process and reduces the risk of any human errors. Cost reduction. No third parties are needed to execute these smart contracts. This reduces the cost. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any latest crypto updates. Thank you.